Living life lavish. Different car, same country, different week. I'm in the top floor, chilling in the.
So this is the kitchen. We have a microwave. Looks really big. It's big and spacious.
In my eyes, I got
And
money
we
on my
have
mind.
the stove. Stove is also a really big, spacious stove. The oven. These would be my season cupboards to add seasoning here. And then we have this entire island. Two side islands. And then we have the fridge. We have this section of cupboards. So you have the shelves and then nice huge cupboard. I can line out all my equipment. I have 4 plugs right here. That's important because I usually have to put an extension to get more plugs. So I'm excited for 4 plugs. And then I can line out my air fryer, blender, and all that right here. And then these cupboards, look at these cupboards. They are very deep going back and they're broad across. The width is broad. So I really like the cupboards. Welcome to my empty, unfurnished house tour where I show you what the apartment looks like before it is furnished. This is the closet. This is a whole closet. So we can handle all our clothes. Nice and spacious, things can be stored on top. Sorry about that, but the audio is not great, so I'm going to redo the audio. So right here, I'm just telling you that this is the living room. Over there, they are coming to paint one of the walls, and I'm just talking about how spacious and nice the living room is. That's pretty much all for the living room. So here I'm looking at the frame, just talking about the nice frame. I'm also talking about the cute light fixtures. And now I'm talking about the shelving and just saying that the shelving cannot fit books. So it's really for additional small things it cannot fit what I ideally want to put there, which would be books. Before entering the bedroom, we have this door which leads into the closet. It's like a linen closet where you can store things and it goes up. So you can store a lot going upwards. Then we head on into the first bedroom. This is a 2-bedroom apartment instead of a 1-bedroom. This is not the master bedroom. It has a really nice spacious closet. I can fit in there and close the door. This is the master bedroom. So the master bedroom has this huge window, nice into the decor. There's a mirror to check yourself, and then you have the closet. This is the washroom. It's very basic. You have a toilet, you have a sink. This is the medicine cabinet. In here, we have a tub. The tub needs to be fixed. It started to rain, but let us go and check out the lakeside view. There is one close by here, and also there is a beach. So let's see if we can find all of that. We found the beach. This is the beach. It's small. I feel as though this beach is full every summer, but we'll see. I'm at the gym. This was one of my biggest goals for this year, 2025. I wanted to restart the gym and I worked very hard on getting fit enough where I can comfortably join the gym and actually utilize the gym in the way that it's supposed to be utilized. I'm going on a walk. Down here is so peaceful, so of course I'm coming down here to walk, and I might be down here every single day because it's really nice. And I was saying how I miss one of the things that I missed about PEI was the
No, that's a
trail
view.
and the water. And unbelievably, I just happen to live beside somewhere that has this nice huge lake, and on top of it there's a trail right there as well. Nice little sunset. It's just like here was meant for me.
This is silent noise.
So now that I've secured an apartment, what's next? So the next goal is to focus on finding a job, number one, and number two, locking into the gym. Well, locking into the gym is kind of number one because that's what I'm doing while I'm looking for a job. For movement, I'm doing a combination of strength training as well as walking and getting as much steps as I possibly can get per day. So what I've been doing is building muscle and it's shredding the fat. So it's called body recomposition. It just means that I'm losing fat and I'm gaining muscle. So I'm going to look like basically the same, but instead of it being fat, it's going to change into muscle. I'm looking at the multivitamins that they have. These multivitamins are expensive. I actually ended up buying it on Amazon. It was actually cheaper. So this was the multivitamin I was taking first. It is more expensive here than Montreal. In Montreal, it was like $15. Here, it's $21 plus plus tax. So I'm just taking a look to see which one of these I could get, but I bought the exact same one. Like all these that I'm looking at are very good options. I ended up buying the multivitamin online because it was cheaper. So sometimes when you see things expensive in the store, you can always check Amazon to see if it's cheaper.
Yeah. Uh-huh. 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 Yeah. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Yeah. Uh-huh. 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 Uh-huh.
I was here just for multivitamins. Somehow I'm now in the Christmas section. Let me hurry and get out of this store.